time is for sunshine. Let's go to the ferry to Cherbourg, France. Europort is situated at the end of the N25 in Roeselare Harbour and is clearly signposted on all road signs leading to the port. The port is 20 minutes from Wexford, 1 hour 45 minutes from Kilkenny. Roeselare is a small village with a supermarket, bank, hotels, guest houses, pubs and restaurants, other shits and scumbag. After 3 hours driving on country roads, I finally visited my friend Marius after 6 years. It's her Brittany, France's northwesternmost region, is a hilly peninsula extending out toward the Atlantic Ocean. Its lengthy, rugged coastline is dotted with beach resorts such as Chic Dinard and walled St. Malo, built on rock in the English Channel. The pink granite coast is famed for its unusual, blush-hued sand and rocks. Brittany is known for its abundant prehistoric menhirs. Vannes fucking amazing is a walled town in the Brittany region of northwest France. Its old town is characterized by narrow cobbled streets and medieval gates. At its heart, Cathédrale Saint-Pierre de Vannes blends Romanesque and Gothic styles, while Place des Lycées Square is lined with colorful half-timber houses. The harbor, to the south, features restaurants and boats that cruise the Gulf of Morbihan.